Hey guys, Simon with Backland here. This is our Ibex series rear bumper installation video. This bumper will be installed in a 2022 event, so we're gonna go ahead and clean these two holes using a 1/2-inch bit. On the 144 wheelbase vans and some of the 170s, the tailpipe will be in the way of these two bolts here. If that is the case, simply take a pry bar, get it in between the frame in this bracket and bend it a little bit to create a little bit more room. We won't have to do it on this van because it's got the short tailpipe. With the bumper sitting on the hitch, we're gonna go ahead and insert our first bolt in the hole. There is a little bit of up and down play, so we're gonna push it up until it's in line with your hitch. You might have noticed that your van has been sprayed with a waxy undercoating pretty much everywhere. This is the same stuff here, and I recommend that you spray some on the bolt.